Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So in this video, as usual guys, we're gonna go through AMC Gme price action. We're also gonna discuss what is happening in the global market. We have some very interesting thing happening as well on the oil market, which means that we're gonna have some consequences on all the energy stocks. So it's a very interesting information that I'm going to give you guys here. We're also going to discuss quickly what is happening on Ether because Ether is very hot. So let's get into it. All right guys, so I'm going to start today with GME. All right, so let me sum up quickly the situation. What is happening here guys? So we are looking for a squeeze, right? We're looking for a massive move up. That could go to absolutely crazy levels. So we know that we are targeting something that can generate really a lot of money. So we are ready to accept that the probability it happens is maybe not that high, and that maybe the trades we're gonna do are gonna be trades that don't make money. I'm personally totally fine with that, and like I said guys, I'm trying to make money on the rest of the market to use this money to play AMC and GME squeeze. And if those squeezes happen, then I'm gonna be very happy. So here the situation is that we are in a situation where the squeeze is close. So the reason why it is close is because we have this massive triangle that is a squeeze triangle that started, as you can see, with the highest point that is a squeeze level. Then we had some small kind of squeezes, you know, the bulls were trying to squeeze again, but bears were very well organized, and it didn't happen. But we have something new that happened last month guys. We have this volume, as you can see, absolutely massive volume, the biggest volume we had since the squeeze and, you know, the, I would say, pullback and attempt of new squeeze in Feb 21. So basically something that happened more than a year ago. And this is telling me that we are in a situation where it can happen again very soon. Usually in this kind of moves, we can find 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to me, it's looking very much like a first wave, and right now like a second wave. So just like I said on AMC before, sometimes second wave are actually not holding at the supports, and they become, you know, deeper than expected, and sometimes then it's much harder for bulls to create the third wave. But when we look at GME, we are in a situation where bulls are very strong. All right, we're still above the 50%. So basically it's like for RSI, everything above the 50% fib ratio is bullish, everything below is bearish. You can do the same with the 20-day moving average. Whenever the price action on the daily time frame is above this 20-day moving average, we are bullish, and whenever we are below, we are bearish. Here we are above the 50%, we are above the 20-day moving average that is at 149, and we have an RSI at 55. All right, so I mean, you can see when you look at those momentum indicators. Once again, it's a momentum indicator because it's about the dynamic of the price action. When we compare where is the price action compared to the recent highs and recent lows, which I do with fibs, we are talking about momentum, we are talking about dynamics. So here the momentum indicators are all telling us, same for the 20-day moving average, of course, for moving average crossovers, all of these indicators are momentum indicators. And here momentum indicators are very good, and they are telling us that the move that started here is still intact. So it means that bulls are in control on the daily time frame, which we need for a squeeze to happen. So the situation is nice to me. Now, if we zoom in a little bit, guys, something very interesting happened today. Bam. So I told you in my yesterday's video that 141.8 was clearly a support level because we have this many reactions that happen here. I also told you that independently of the time frame, we are looking for consolidation, I mean a consolidation on the volume, then a breakout. Okay, this is the usual way the price action develops, and here we're gonna do the same thing. We have a move here we have a consolidation, and we are looking for a breakout, and we had the breakout but it didn't hold. But let's see, maybe bulls will manage to take back control here on the hourly time frame. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. So here we have this support clearly identified at 141.8, and we have this resistance that was identified yesterday, guys, which is the fib ratio, and which is also a natural resistance. When I say natural, it means that there are reactions there. Bam. Sorry, it's the 38.2. Okay, I'm trying to do it as perfectly as I can. Okay. So it's the 153 is the fib ratio. Let me get rid of that. And now whenever you have roughly the area of resistance, then you go on a shorter time frame and you check exactly where are the reactions. And here you can see 152.3 is the level that we needed to go through to have a short-term breakout, which is a short-term bullish signal. And we had it. As you can see, guys, here I put it in green. We have this candle, this beautiful candle, which is a strong breakout candle that went through this level. What is the problem here? And those who followed my course, guys, know what is the problem here. Pam, pam, pam. Look, the volume didn't increase. Then you can see that we had an increase in volume on the red bar just right after. So when you see that, you need to ask yourself what happened here. So let's zoom in. Let's go to 30 minutes time frame. Bam, bam, bam. And as you can see, actually, this is not a red bar. It is a green bar. All right. It's very clear here. It's a green bar that went through this level. So basically what happened here, guys, because usually, why do we want to have volume? Let me quickly re-explain. We want to have volume because it means that there were a lot of orders at this level, which means that this was indeed a resistance where bears were located. So if we go through resistance without volume, it means that it was not a resistance, and it means that the breakout signal, the bullish signal you have, is not reliable. Here, we went through without volume, and we had some volume right after. Why? Why do you think we had the volume here? At 155. Is 155 a resistance level? No. So why do we have a volume here? I'm going to tell you why. It's because whenever we have a breakout without volume, this usually means that the breakout will not hold. So bears start to sell the breakout because they know that some bulls are going to buy here, and they start to sell the breakout because they believe the breakout will not hold. This is a strategy called stop hunting, and once again I'm discussing that in my course, guys. So for those who are interested in the course, just click in the link in the description of this video. I allowed now the monthly payment, and I added for you guys the platinum membership, a free platinum membership of 6 months. Yes, if you want to learn how to become a trader, if you want to learn all these techniques, it's going to take time, to be honest, for you to really master everything, but that's why I'm here. Come in the Discord, you have a free membership, and you can pay in multiple payments, in 4 payments, guys. So I think the price is very affordable compared to what you can make with it. And for now, I make a it's satisfied or 100% refunded. For now, no one has asked a refund. So all of the members who took this course, and I'm grateful for that, guys, none of them asked a refund, which means the course is good quality, and you can see by yourself. And once again, you have 1 month to be fully refunded if you don't like it. So don't wait anymore. Grab your course and join the Discord, guys. So here, what I wanted to show you guys is that we had this breakout, and then we're coming back here. So 142.3 is the level, so bam, so it's not that good. And I mean, whenever we have a breakout without volume, which is here the case, the breakout is fragile. So I personally bought some calls here because I think that even if it's a fragile breakout, the situation of daily time frame looks very good, and I want to be positioned in case we have a strong move up. If we don't have it, I'm going to lose my premium. I'm fine with that because once again, I made money on the rest of the market. So, so here, once again, to me, we're in a very interesting situation. I'm not saying tomorrow we're going to take 20%, but I'm saying that it's this kind of scenarios, this kind of environment where we usually see some strong moves up happening. Why? Let me explain. Again, because we're in a second wave correction. The second wave looks strong. The momentum is with us. And we're having on the very short term some signs of breakouts, some signs of reversal, of short-term reversals. So for now, they are not strong, but whenever they're going to be strong, the price action is going to be much higher. So that's why I personally took this opportunity to buy some calls. I'm going to post that in the Discord very soon. I actually posted it, but in the wrong channel, but whatever. And here, I think that if we are able to close above 152.3, maybe it doesn't look important for you guys, but I can tell you that for short-term traders, it's very important that we manage to close above that level for what they're going to do tomorrow. If today they're going to see we close below, tomorrow they're not going to buy. If they see we close above, tomorrow at the open, they're going to be a lot of buyers that are following the same techniques as I do. So let's see if we're able to have this close at this level or not. And if we do, guys, I remind you what is the big picture here. We are looking for a squeeze, and the squeeze would enter its third wave. That can be absolutely massive. It can be the biggest move that we've never seen on GME. Let's see. and it can go to 500, something like that. So once again, what is the probability it happens, guys? I don't know, but it's not a 90% probability. Like I said at the beginning, if you're looking for big profits, you need to be to accept the fact that the probability it happens is low. That's why do not overinvest and only invest what you can lose. This is what I'm personally doing, and I'm totally fine if I lose money here. And by the way, I lost money on AMC. Gme, I didn't lose money. I made actually some money here. I lost a lot of money on AMC, but I'm still very positive thanks to the rest of the trades I'm making. So bam, bam, bam. Here, so yeah, the scenario is that maybe the third wave is going to start tomorrow. I don't know, we're going to find out. AMC guys, so losing 2.8% when the rest of the market is losing 1.5%. Sorry, this is triple Q. I'm going to show triple Q as well, guys, because it's very important. This is all related, and we are right now, for me, in a situation where maybe tomorrow is going to be a very good day. I'm going to explain why. So AMC, what are we looking for? We are looking for, once again, same thing, guys. We are in a massive move down, much deeper than I expected. Bulls lost control here. They need to take back control. So before taking back control, as usual, you have a move down, then you need to consolidate, okay? So here, as you can see, we're moving down, and now for the fourth consecutive day, we are in the same range, the 18 range roughly, all right? We are oscillating between 17 and 19. So this is what we call a consolidation. Does it mean we're going to move higher? No, it just means that we are in a scenario where bulls are going to start to see if they can take back control. And for that to happen, we need a catalyst, or we need, you know, something, some event. So here, I don't know what it can be. We can zoom in quickly. I mean, I'm talking here about the price action. Of course, the catalyst can be something else, but on the price action, it can be enough. So, I mean, we need to go above 19 to me for bulls to really start to attack. For now, we have support at 17.8. If we go below 17.8 today before the close, I'm making the video 2 hours, 15 minutes before the close, because, guys, I'm in France. It's just easier for me. I hope it's good for you as well. And if we break out on the hourly time frame below this level, guys, it won't be looking good, and we would probably go to the 16 area. I hope we won't, and I'm seeing also some positive signals here, guys. Look at that. It's very important. I'm explaining that as well, guys, in my course. I know it might seem complicated, but trust me, guys, if you know how to use that, it's very good. I told you about momentum and GME, moving averages, price action, crossing some resistances, or some moving averages, and RSI and MACD. And here, guys, look what we have. Those who follow the course know, even those who just follow my videos, guys, because I'm talking about that quite often, because it's very important to keep this in mind, to look at that, guys. What do you see here? Momentum going higher, price action going lower, all right? Here the market made a new low, the momentum made a new high. So this is exactly what is happening. This is basically the momentum is representing the acceleration. So before making a reversal first, so basically it means we go down, so the momentum is kind of the speed more than the acceleration, and the speed need to change sign. So the acceleration need to whatever, forget about this acceleration and speed thing, but what is important is to have this momentum going higher when the price action is still going lower, before everything can go up together. But usually it's not going to happen together. You often have some divergence between the price action and the momentum, which is preceding actually some price action reversals. And the reversal is going to be confirmed whenever we have a breakout in the price action. So here I don't see clearly any. Here, okay, we can have one. Look, okay. Here you can see you need to look for consolidation. Whenever you have this momentum information with a divergence, then you need to have a bullish signal. So it can be a candlestick, it can be a breakout, it can be a candlestick pattern. I mean, it can be what else? It can be a crossover with a moving average. It can be pretty much whatever you want, but it must be a price action bullish signal. And here you can see we are consolidating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reactions on the hourly time frame. So my take is that if we are able to close even around 18.7 on the hourly time frame with some volume here, this would be a good signal that is going to validate the signal given by the bullish divergence. So let's see if we're able to do that. GME is still below 152.3. I wish we could close above that, so we're going to follow that, of course, today, guys. something else I wanted to show you, but very quickly guys, I want to show you something even cooler guys, that everything I showed you here. I think I told you about that already, so let me just show you that guys, you're gonna love it. Bam bam bam, so it's here. As you guys know, I am starting my new bam bam bam, where is it? No, it's not here, it's here. Okay, attack. Okay, here we go. I'm starting my NFTs guys. We are gonna launch our NFTs in around 1 month. The website is gonna ready. We are already starting the promotion. I can tell you we have a very high engagement. All of my friends want to buy it. All of my family of course want to buy it. My previous bosses who have money, they all want to buy it. They all believe a lot in the project. So here I just wanted to share with you the last designs that we're having, because they are just insane. They are so cool. I personally love them, but I mean, it's my project, so it's pretty normal. So as you can see guys, we are a top quality NFT project because the designer guys is my cousin. It's his job and he's doing something really amazing. And on top of that guys, look at that, this is the King Bull. He's really cool. And on top of that guys, we have a very solid project compared to the other NFT project that I went through guys, and it's seriously not I mean, I don't really trust what they do with the money. I can tell you guys that what we're going to do with the money is going to be amazing. We're going to use it for to do some crypto arbitrage. This is what we're called the crypto bulls, and we're going to use the profits to for the community to buy gifts like watches, cars. We want to buy a Tesla. So of course it's going to depend on how far we can go in this project, but if we are able to go far guys, it's going to be a killing. We're also going to make some artistic project. We're going to make a comic that is telling the story of crypto bulls that come from Satoshi. Satoshi is also the creator of the Bitcoin. I'm sure you guys know about that. So we're going to tell the story of Satoshi, and it's going to be the story of what are crypto, what are NFTs, in a very funny way with a lot of lighting. It's going to be a new generation comic that my once again cousin is working on, and we're gonna use some very advanced techniques to make it absolutely epic. So guys, our project is very solid. Our designs are amazing, so just join the project guys. The links are in the description of this video as well. The Discord is here guys, we're waiting for you. We have many members joining every day. We're gonna start to organize some games, some funny things in the Discord of Crypto Bulls, and it's gonna be amazing. So I want all of you guys to be there. And by the way, those who come from Trading Senses channel are gonna be early bulls, and early bulls are gonna get basically 30% of the price of the rest of the members. So if you guys join, you're gonna have a price that I mean, for sure it's gonna be lower than whatever price that is gonna be later. So I'm gonna tell you more about that project guys, but let's come back to the market. Here I wanted to tell you that we're in a situation where maybe something can happen, because as I showed you guys, AMC bullish divergence, not breakout yet, but consolidation, and maybe it's going to be time to go higher and test the resistances. GME is making a breakout on the hourly time frame, is really developing in a nice second wave. That is, we're having all the bullish information coming from the momentum indicators, and we are having here a breakout that is a bit fading, but it is still to me not invalidated. As you can see, we went below this 152 level right now live, but we are coming back right to it. So let's see if we're able to close above 152.3. It's important we do. And last but not least guys, we are in a situation where the rest of the market is bullish. By the way, we have a negative beta today between GME and the rest of the market. Negative beta means negative correlation, and it's good to see that, because each time GME moved by 100 to 100%, we had this negative beta at play just before. Sometimes we have the negative beta at play and there is no squeeze, but each time there is a squeeze, there is the negative beta. So whenever I see the negative beta, I'm excited, because I feel maybe this time is going to be the good one. So let's see. But we need to have this negative beta in a bull market. All right, so we need to be in a bull market, and just when the market drops, corrects a little bit, then GME goes higher, and then when the rest of the market is rallying, it's at that time that squeezes happen. And look here, like I said, we need to be in the bullish environment. So are we in the bullish environment? Not really, right? We are in a correction, but there is one very bullish case, which is that this is actually a first wave, this is a second wave, and we have 3, 4, 5 coming. It's personally not my preferred scenario, but it is one scenario. And in this scenario, guys, We are here at the support level 338. I told you guys I bought some shares of Triple Q yesterday. I'm having a stop loss just here. For those who want to know exactly what we do, come to Discord, guys, and you're gonna see all of our trades. I'm trading with Gabriel as well, that is helping me. We are two experienced traders. It was our job, guys. We know what we do. So if you want to learn, once again, join the Discord and grab your course. You can join the Discord without the course, or you can get the course and have Discord for free. So it just means that you're gonna stay longer, but at least you're gonna have a course that is gonna be useful all your life. And here I'm using the techniques of the course, of course. And here, so I bought here stop loss 335, and we are clearly, you know, in a fight. No one knows really what's going to happen. As long as we're above 338, we are bullish, and we might very well be only in a second wave. So and we are close to support. So maybe tomorrow, if you have here a bullish reaction, and if you're able, tomorrow is going to be hard, guys. Let's be honest, to take back really this level, because it's like 3-4%. But if we're able to, in a few moves, take back the 350 level and start this third wave, guys. And funny, right? Because actually this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is very similar to my scenario on GME and AMC. So, and it needs to go together. So I hope that this is the right scenario. Of course, I don't know, guys. That's why I use stop losses, because you know, most of my trades are actually not making money, but those who make money, and I'm going to show you how I manage a winning position, are actually making much more money than everything else that is losing. And this is how you make money in trading, is by managing your risk. Bam, bam, bam. And here, sorry, I'm just getting rid of those dots. Okay, bam, bam, bam. And what I wanted to say, yes, so I wanted to show you. So here we're in a situation where potentially we can start moving higher. We would need to close above 350 for both to really take back control and maybe start this third wave. Then the real level to take is 370, but it's quite far. We can squeeze by that time, maybe. And pam, pam, pam. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys two more things. Ather. So Ather is very bullish, guys. This is once again an alert I posted using the techniques, guys, that are in the course. Here, breakout with volume after nice consolidation. So then we bought around this level, and then the price action is just moving higher. So of course, sometimes in those strong moves up, the price action just drops and fades. All right, so that's why it's good to take half of the profits on the way up, just below a resistance. So this is what we did here at 550, and then you need to increase your stop loss, guys. So this is exactly what I'm doing in my Discord. This is the techniques I'm trying to teach. And here you have different actually ways to place your stop loss. Your stop loss always needs to be below a consolidation, but it's only one condition. It needs to be below moving averages and below the trend lines. So you check all of that. You check the trend line, you check the moving averages, and you check the consolidation. And when I do that, I put my stop loss today at 440. And this is exactly, guys, what I sent this morning in my Discord, because I know that a lot of my guys are in this trade. And now stop loss 440, and then you increase the target. You only have 50% of the position left, but you put 50 of the 50%, which is 25%, at the next resistance. Where is the next resistance? You zoom out and you check a trend line. So here we have a trend line, we have a moving averages, 200-day moving average. So the resistance is 1 here, but it's too close to the level we took already a bit of the profit. And the next one is this trend line, guys. So it's around 730. So this is the advice I gave in my Discord this morning. And tomorrow we're going to keep moving the stop loss on the way up, and we're going to adjust the target if they need to be. For now, Ather is bullish, and Ather can even go higher than that. So let's find out. And last thing, guys, very interesting. I told you yesterday about the oil market, and I told you once again, guys, look quickly at the big picture. The big picture is that we are extremely bullish because we broke out above a 10-year resistance, all right, this trend line. And you know it's a breakout because we had an increase in volume and a nice consolidation just before. Actually, the consolidation was not so nice, but the volume was here. Even the volume was not that nice, but it's a weekly time frame, so that's why you don't really see the volume on weekly time frames. But whatever. Then when you come to the daily time frame, once again we had this massive run up that told us that something is changing, and that right now the commodities market is going to be bullish for the coming year, 2 years, guys. It's a weekly signal, so it's very good to use for the long term. so you can position yourself on everything that looks cheap and related to energy, guys. This is what I did, and I made a lot of money doing that, and I'm still gonna make money. I'm very sure of that because I'm positioned very well on this market, on USO. I bought some USO here and on a lot of energy stocks. Yesterday I bought some energy stock that broke out. For now I'm not making money, but I'm very sure it's gonna make money soon, because here my view is that as you can see, we're breaking out without volume, so maybe this breakout is not gonna hold, but my view is that it is gonna hold, because I think that we are in a very strong bullish development on the long term. So when I see on the short term that we have some breakout, even if there is no volume, I'm confident this breakout can hold. And here, so I said that already yesterday. I took some positions yesterday before the close, and today we have the confirmation for now of this breakout. As you can see, we have this triangle. It's even more visible on the hourly time frame, guys. As you can see, bam, bam, bam. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't count this one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 reactions, something like that, and bam, look, then where is the breakout? Where is the breakout? Bam, bam, bam. The breakout is here, guys. So the breakout occurs on increase with an increase in volume. So this is very good. Then pullback as usual. We find some support on a moving average or the trend line, the breakout trend line, whatever. Here we didn't even touch the breakout trend line, and then we start to move higher with volume, guys, with volume, bam. So this is confirming that this is a strong bullish move that is starting. So once again, I'm not gonna buy here because I bought before, but I'm very happy, and I think that this is going to nice levels. I think we are going, guys, to 145, so I don't know, maybe in 2 months, maybe in 6 months, I don't know exactly how it's going to develop, maybe like that. I think we're going to be rejected at 115, but then we're going to break it, because we tested it multiple times before. We broke it already once, so it's not a very strong resistance anymore. The next strong resistance is 145, and I can tell you guys that if the whole market is going there, I'm going to be very happy, and I'm going to be able to use all the money I'm going to make to put it back in AMC and GME if they have not squeezed yet. This is my plan, and that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to do another video tomorrow as every day, and if you did enjoy that video, guys, please click on this like button, and you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. I see you guys.